Bitcoin is currently riding a wave at $98,307.64, and this latest update is crucial for anyone involved in crypto. It's not just about the price, it's about understanding the volatility that defines Bitcoin. Just weeks ago, we saw it dip significantly, but now it's up by 3%. This isn't just a random spike, it's part of a larger trend. You have to ask yourself, do you trust this climb? Fear can cloud your judgment, but history shows that Bitcoin often rebounds. It's legal to trade in the US, classified as property by the IRS, which means you'll need to navigate capital gains taxes. Each state has its own rules, so staying informed is key. Analysts are predicting potential all-time highs by year-end, but the market is unpredictable. Should you buy, hold, or sell? That decision hinges on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Remember, opportunity thrives in chaos. Stay informed, make decisions based on facts, and don't let fear dictate your moves.